Hi everyone, today we will be checking out the Hotwav Cyber 8 rugged smartphone. It is an affordable feature-packed rugged smartphone that was recently made available in the market. The product retail box looks sleek and professional. Let's check out what is included in the retail packing. Inside the box, you will find one Hotwav Cyber 8 smartphone, packed snugly in a foam slot. Also included is a USB-C charging cable, along with a headphone jack USB-C adapter in case you want to jam to beats on a wired headphone. You can use this to plug it in. A user guide is also provided for users to refer to it during setup, along with a pin and a wall charging adapter, all packed neatly in the retail packaging. First, let's peel off the protective film that is covering the screen. This is one of the part I find satisfying when I am using a new device for the first time. Looks really sleek. The body of the phone is relatively slim, not overly heavy or bulky, which is a plus point on first impression. At the back, the phone has a stylish back plate which looks really modern and elegant with smooth curvatures engraved at the back. At the side of the device, users can find the SIM tray slot where they can slot their SIM card and SD card for expandable storage, protected from water with the rubber gasket. There is also a custom button which people can use to program it for it to launch to an app or feature they want when they need it. On the other side, there is a fingerprint scanner, conveniently located for users to unlock their device when in use. A power button and volume buttons are conveniently located at the side too, so users can control the device at their convenience. At the base, there is a USB-C charging port, so users can recharge the device when they need to. An 8-megapixel front camera is located nicely on the front of the device, so users can capture selfie shots as and when they like. There are triple cameras lens, all fitted nicely so users can capture shots in a wider variety of styles. Let's power it up. The device boots up with the Hotwav logo. On first use, the user interface looks really smooth and simple, not overly bloated and complex unlike some other devices. It runs on Android 11, which is one of the newest version at the time of filming. Let's check out the camera interface. It is neat and has a easy and straightforward user interface, where users can simply point and shoot. It focuses pretty quickly and images are captured promptly. Let's check out some shots. The images captured look clear and crisp. Now, let's test out the video mode on the camera. Simply point and capture. It has autofocus so images stay clear during videography. Check out the test footage. Both videos are captured in clear high definition. Great. There are multiple other modes of photography like bokeh, macro, night mode and more. It has Play Store installed on the device, so users have access to the wide range of apps available on the Play Store. Now, let's try playing a game on the Hotwav smartphone. Gameplay is smooth. There is no lag experienced when I am running the game on the device. A handy flashlight application is included to enable users to illuminate their pathway during darkness. There is a handy toolbox which contains a compass, for navigation, along with a sound meter to measure noise amongst other different handy tools that people who go camping, hiking or traveling can use. To test its rugged rating, it is rated IP68 and IP69K rugged waterproof. I have dropped it several times in this test, along with making it wet underwater. I also used a hammer to test its durability with a few knocks to the screen. There are no cracks on the screen. After a few wipes, it still works. Great. Overall, the wide range of features the Hotwav Cyber 8 rugged smartphone offers is pretty decent. It is not overly expensive, and yet it comes with a super huge battery pack. The camera also works great during my use. The design and aesthetics of the device is great too. If you want to know more about the Hotwav Cyber 8, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.